Hello friends, Oindrila from Orpon Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. After a long gap, I was traveling for work. I had a lot of artisanal meetings, and there were few of the learning about the craft, and there were small projects, and so I was quite away from Delhi. And so now I'm back, and again I have to travel, but then I just thought that let me quickly showcase some of the new creations which I just got it done. And I'll start with all the handcrafted, everything is handcrafted, and all are very summer friendly, beautiful ones. It's a whole lot of batik, and there are many other taat, that is handloom. Taat is always Bengal handloom. We call it taat in Bengali. Taat is shari. Woven in hand loom, not power loom, and not any kind of machine. It is completely by hand. So let's start with some of the beautiful creations. The first one is this such a beautiful, lovely hand painted taat cotton, and so that is, the painting is very nice, very soft, summery, all a very nice, happy painting. Very nice, very happy kind of a painting. So this is floral, lovely floral one, lovely floral, and so that's the body of the sari. That is the body of the sari. Very soft, beautiful cotton, and the whole sari has this hand shading. The whole sari has this hand shading, and then the pleats will have this kind of working. So these are the designs on the pleats. So the front part of the sari is like this. It's basically white based. The body is kora color, basically kora color, and so that's the inside of the sari. So this kind of standing, the vertical. The vertical flower stands like this kind of a flower motif. So what I have done is that I have teamed this sari with a rich lavender, purplish lavender blouse piece. It will stand out very well. Rich lavender purplish blouse piece. What you can do is that you can put a little bit of this kora color lace in the blouse, kora color lace in the blouse, in the neckline or and the sleeves. So it will be beautiful. Just the kora color, not pura white, off white. So the price of the sari is 3150, 3150 including shipping. 3150. The sari and the blouse, 3150. Another very pretty color combination. This is Resham Kota. This is actually Resham check. This is basically cotton by viscose fabric. So this is totally hand brushed, hand painted, totally hand painted. There is no dye. The base color of the sari I show you is this white. The base color of the sari is completely white, this shade, and after that it has been completely, you can actually smell the color of the, and it is little starchy, so it stands out like that. But after you wear it, after it becomes absolutely, once or twice you wear it, and it becomes completely soft and nice, and just like kota, it will fall on your body. So that's the palla. That is the palla. So this side is the palla, this is the painting, and the rest of the sari has this kind of a getup. Lower part of the sari has this a little bit of touch of black, and these kind of, we call it in Bengali, we call it champa. I'm not very sure about what is called in other language, but in Bengali we call it champa fool. So that's the whole getup of the sari. So it's basically, you see the dual tone of blue, this blue, and this is a firoza blue, and this is more on the ink blue side. So that is the whole sari. The whole sari has this kind of a total hand painted getup. So that's the pleat part. So this part is the pleat of the sari. This part is the pleat of the sari. So when you do a pleating, it will stand out like this. It is basically, it has starch, a little bit of starch in this, and that's why it is to make it a little stiff, because people love to wear starchy fabric also, not very limpy one everybody likes. So this is totally hand painted, and I have teamed a khand fabric blouse with this. This is a khand fabric blouse which I have teamed up with this sari. Very very unique combination, and this sari is again priced at 3150. 3150 including shipping. We come to this lovely hand block creation on Bengal cotton with the satin border. The border is satin, rich satin border, pink color, rich satin border, pink color. So the whole sari, the the fun part of the sari is that it has a little bit of kantha embellishment and patchwork embellishment. So these are the patchwork done. These are the patchwork, not color. This is done in the patchwork, and this has this mirror work, mirror embroidery, and kantha also in this. So these are the kantha work. These are the kantha work. So this kind of embellishment and block. So it's basically block with a little bit of touch of embroidery, highlighting the embroidery to highlight the block prints. So it is like that. The whole sari runs like this. The whole sari runs like this, and there are polka dots, which are just highlighted with kantha embroidery. The polka dots are highlighted with kantha embroidery. So the whole sari has this getup. It's a very very beautiful sari. Cottons are generally, people love to wear it a little starchy. So these are little on the starchy side. Once you wear it, I can guarantee that things will completely fall in place. I mean, the dhakai I'm wearing is so hard. It is so hard and starchy after many times wearing. But I can guarantee for these sarees that they will completely fall properly, because they are completely handloom cotton. So they are handloom cotton. So this is sari. So it matches with the sari, and the blouse comes together. The sari and the blouse comes together. So this is the blouse piece. Again, you can give a little bit of this pink touch to the blouse. This pink touch to the blouse as pink piping in the neckline and sleeves. That's all you need. Pink piping, this colored pink piping, and the sari will glow. 3850 sari and blouse. 3850. That's it. Sari and blouse 3850. Another sari, another beautiful sari, hand block, and with a red satin border. So this is a beige color. That was pura color. This is beige color. This is yellowish beige. So this is beige color. See how beautiful. All this embroidery, all the blocks are been embellished with embroidery, kantha embroidery. All these blocks have been embellished with kantha embroidery. See how beautiful. And these looks very ethnic, very rich and ethnic. Rich ethnic look. This gives a very rich ethnic look. All these sarees. So that's the palla. That's the palla of the sari. It has this kind of a hand block design, and these are the patchwork, and work like this. So the whole lower border of the sari, if you see the pleats and all, have this kind of standing veil, floral vines with kantha embellishment, and a little bit of this applique with kantha. These birds are with applique and kantha. So the whole sari has this. The whole sari getup, front and back, has this kind of work, and beautiful, lovely one for all age group, and for anybody who wants to look a little elegant in summer. So this is the blouse piece I have teamed up. I have teamed up this yellow color with this yellow shade, so that it gives a very nice and bright look. So that's the blouse piece. And you can actually give a little bit of red piping, this red color piping in this blouse, and you will stand out in the crowd. So the price again is 3850. Sari and the blouse and the sari 3850. shipping included. This is another kind of same sari, same combination. Only base combination is same. Only the block print combination is different. Only the block print combination is different. So here the block print is in this color, this green and red kind of color. There it was yellow and black kind of a color. So it's the same sari, same combination. Only the block print color is same. They are different. So that's the sari. That is the sari. And the front and back again is same as the one I had already shown it to you. So that's the pleat part, that's the pleat part. So that's the sari. And the blouse piece I have teamed up is with this sea green color. The sea green color, so I have teamed up this blouse piece or a red piping along with this with this fabric. It will look very nice on this fabric. It will look very nice. 3850 sari plus blouse. Another it's a block which is in script. Lot of people looks for script blocks. So this is a block print in script. Again the base color is Kora. The base color is Kora. And see, this is all this swastik. This is basically Vastu symbol in what we call it Vastu symbol. These are the ritualistic symbols which we put on the ghat, on the Mangal ghat. So that's the applique, that's the bird with the applique and kantha, full applique and kantha, these kind of birds. And the lower border of the sari and upper border of the sari has this block in script block, in the script block. So these are all Bengal Dhania Khali cottons and very very nice border, very very nice rich border, satin border, satin by cotton border. So that's the palla, that is the palla. The palla is an applique and the body has this kind of a getup in the front and the pleats has this kind of block print, this kind of block print. So it is lotus, it is a very nice abstract kind of a block print. And the border, lower border of the sari is this. Lower border of the sari is this. Very creative one. It's a rich creative sari. Rich creative sari. So that's the whole sari. And that's the palla. So the blouse piece is this. The blouse I have teamed up with the sari is this green color. Again, you can actually add a little bit of Kora color lace with this blouse. Kora color lace or piping with this blouse piece. And you stand out in the crowd. So this sari is 3850 sari and blouse. The teaming is 3850. This is a constructed sari. This is a constructed sari. This is a different patchwork in here. So it is a constructed sari like this, and it is a zari check cotton. Otherwise the body of the sari is zari check. So it also has multi level, multi type of hand block print. One block print is this, one block print is this. So that's the lower border, that's the lower border, and that is the upper border. It's done in patchwork. That's the palla. Very nice and very creative, artistic sari. The whole sari has this. The palla has a different look. So that is the whole concept of the sari. That is the whole concept. The palla is in basically taat weaving. The palla is in taat weaving, and this sari, the blouse piece is along with the sari. So I have given a joint blouse piece. So that is the back or sleeves border. You can take it, and one side border. Basically, the blouse has one side border. The blouse has one side border. So that's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. That is the whole sari. Beautiful one. Again, this Vastu sign, and there are this beautiful artistic layouts. So this sari is again priced at 3850. 3850. Another very nice, beautiful constructed sari. which has a little bit of Kathiawadi embellishment. Kathiawadi embellishment. It is like this. So the Kathiawadi border embellishment work is given like this. Kathiawadi embellishment border is given like this. So this is an embroidery. This is an hand embroidery, complete hand embroidery. This patchwork has been given in the lower border of the sari, in the front part. Lower border of the sari like this, in the front part. And that's the palla. That is the palla. Palla is with this block print. Lovely palla with this block print. And the shine on the in the sari is because of the zari checks, the golden zari checks. So that is the one. And again, this is the front part of the sari with red and this kind of an embellishment. And the second part of the sari has this black color, which actually is coming chocolate because of the mixing with the red. So that is the black, and that is the sari. So the whole sari has this kind of a getup. It is so this is the block done on the lower part of the pleats, lower part of the pleats. See how beautiful is the block print. How beautiful is the block print. So that's the block print. So that is the sari. So this patchwork, this embroidery patchwork is about 1.5 meter long in the front side of the body, in the front side of the body, not in the pleats and not in the pallu. It is only here, and I really make things very clear on the video. So please, I would expect you guys to see it properly and to understand. You know, later on, many one or two cases have been happening where people tell me that no, I never understood that from the video, and then and I write to you guys also very clearly so that there is no confusion, because I really don't want any confusion, and there is no hard selling, completely no hard selling, because I love to create these things. I create, and this is my own work. So there is no hard selling and no compulsion for anything. But once the sari is being booked and it has gone to you, and it is I am not going to take it back until and unless the sari has any defect. And if the sari has a defect, I will not send it to you. I will tell you that please don't go for this sari if I find any defect, because I check it 100 times before I actually send it, and I make it very clear in my video. All aspects are very, very clearly told and shown. So please, please to to reduce your complications and to mine, and also, like, since we all are very busy, so there is no point in going into any argument that I never could understand. I thought that this is embroidery, but this is not. So there is no point in going into those kind of confusions. Okay, so I have explained it to you. So this palla doesn't have the embroidery part, only 1.5 meters, which will come like this, only in the front side, and the pleats with a block. And I have teamed up this blouse, this khand fabric blouse, with this sari. This will take this sari at a different level, at a much different level altogether. So that's the combination, and the price is 3850. A lovely, pretty, bright yellow blue kind of a combination of block printed sari in cotton. Soft cotton block print, like this. Beautiful block print, beautiful. The whole concept is completely block print. See, the whole concept is block printed. In fact, this part is also block printed. The yellow part is also block printed. So that's the gad block, we'll say, the solid block. So that's the palla. See the palla, majestic palla, very, very, very pretty palla. And so that's the whole body. The whole body is in Kora white color, not full white. It is Kora white. The Kora is the color which naturally the yarn gets, the woven yarn gets. The Kora is that color. When we get the white color, we bleach the Kora color, and when we apply bleach, then it becomes totally white. So when we want a bleached color, bleached effect, completely white effect, then that's the. So this is basically off-white. Kora, it's not Kora actually, it is little lighter than Kora, it's off-white. So that's the pallu and that's the sari. And I've teamed up this blouse piece. this dark navy blue blouse piece, which will look very smart. You can put a very nice lacy piping, lacy border along with the sleeves, along with the neckline, and this color, the body color, and you will dazzle. So the sari and the blouse is priced at 2850. 2850. A lovely grey tone resham check, you know, a lovely grey tone resham check sari with complete beautiful sindhi embroidery, total hand embroidery, soft and nice, lovely combination. This is the embroidery in red color, embroidery done in red color. So that's the palla, that is the palla. The whole sari has this embroidery pattern, and see, that one also was resham check. This is also resham check. The first one, the second one I started with. Let's see how beautifully this falls. So the fabric is very soft and nice. Only thing is that it was starch on that sari, because it is hand painted and ironed and all that. So the starch is just making it a little stiff. If you don't starch it, it will just fall like this, and it's very soft. This is resham checks are very small soft saris. So this is the lower border work. So the whole sari has complete same all over the butta, no less, no more, and the border. And I have teamed up a beautiful hand painted blouse. I mean, just a little bit of, you know, Ma Durga face painting on the back. Ma Durga face painting on the back. So this is the face painting on the back. This goes with the sari very well. Just a simple embellishment at the back. The face has been painted like this, and sleeves will have this border. Sleeves will have this painted border. So this is the blouse. This is the blouse teamed with the sari. This is the blouse which is teamed with the sari, and the blouse and the sari costs 4850. 4850. The blouse and the sari is 4850. Total hand embroidery. Madhubani sari, Madhubani hand painted Madhubani sari. Again, this is a Kora color. Again, this is a Kora color. Little on the beigeish shade. Lovely Madhubani painting. Beautiful finesse in the painting. Beautiful finesse. See the painting. See the painting. See the painting completely. Each line, line has been done very meticulously. This is the lower border. This is the lower border. That is the palla, and this is the upper border. This is the upper border. There is a pink selvage, and with temple weaving. This is a pink selvage, temple weaving, and the whole body has this kind of birds flying around. This kind of small birds flying around. Very attractive one. Very attractive sari. And this is the blouse, this is the palla, and I have teamed up, since the color combination is red and black, so I have teamed up a red batik blouse with this, totally hand done batik, wax done batik. So this is the blouse piece which I have teamed up, so it will give a very nice and a very unique effect. And you can see the sari is so well going with my red blouse also. So this is the batik blouse piece I have given with the sari, and that is the sari. So the sari and the blouse costs 4250. 4250. Another this Bengal cotton Dhania Khali sari. How beautiful! How beautiful! It's a grey lavender kind of a shade, grey lavender kind of a border. The border is also so attractive, and the body color too is mesmerizing. And this is the huge, now lovely painting on the palla. Lovely painting on the palla. Lovely painting. See how beautiful is the painting. How beautiful. Like this, if I showcase. Beautiful. So that's the whole sari, and the lower border also has lot of work. The lower border has lot of work like this. Lovely work. And the woven part of the border is also so beautiful. This is the woven border. This part is the woven border. This is the painted border. This is the painted border. And the whole sari is in rich yellow shade. The rich yellow shade has come from dyeing the fabric. That is the Uh, the blouse I have teamed up is grey color. It is little mauvish, but I have teamed up a grey color blouse. And you can actually take this, and also you can actually drape any kind of blouse piece from this color, from the color of the if you want, I have a yellow blouse also. If you anybody wants a yellow color blouse, I can give a yellow color blouse, but I thought that this gray color blouse would look nice when you see from the front. See, this gray color blouse will look nice with this yellow lace work in the blouse. The blouse will look very nice. So again, this is 4250, 4250, that's all. 4250 sari and the blouse, sari and the blouse. Now we come to the batik. These are all mull cotton batik, softest cotton, the mull cottons. The mull cottons have a little on the shorter height. I mean, you know, it is about 41, 42 width, 42 inches width, 42 inches width. So these are very, very ideal for people who are not very tall. Very tall people have to actually add a little bit of fabric. This fall, what we put it down, additional has to be put. But these batik sarees are anyway done very, very, very beautiful. So this is the palla. This is the palla of this with this wax. This is a complete wax batik creation. Wax batik creation. So that's the that is the you know, there is the crane and the tree. The lower part of the batik has this crane and the tree, picturization. So that's the body. This is the deep kachi haldi color, so that's the whole body, and pleats. So another thing I want to you know, tell you very frankly, that there might be a little bit of, see this part, this is no defect. Again, this is no defect. This is where the wax had fallen and didn't come out, so the base color is visible. When the yellow dye was done, the wax, this part had a little bit of wax on it, and so the dye could not enter the wax. These are all wax done batik like this. See, there the wax had been put, that's why the body color, the base color of the sari, which was plain white, the than, so this is visible. Okay, so again, if somebody tells me that these two spots are defects, then I might be, you know, I clear it right now that there are no defects. They are all hand done byproducts, and this would be always there in a handmade sari. So this sari have to be very clear that, so these saris don't have a blouse piece, because if you don't cut the blouse piece, these saris don't have a blouse piece. The you know, and let me make a beautiful. So that is the pleats, that is the pleats, that's the palla, that's the palla. So you get a nice get up. So that's the whole piece. So first sari 2450, first sari 2450, first sari in batik 2450. The second sari in batik, the cotton is very soft and nice, lovely cotton. So that's the palla, half sari. Basically the painting is on the half sari. The front half ऐसे करके आएगा, front half, and the pleats from this part, So this purple part, and also the blouse piece is given like this. So you can take half meter out, and you can just measure and take half meter out if you want, and can add any other fabric, extra fabric to make it. So 2450, second sari 2450. देखो तो कितना measure करके कितना है actually. Third sari in batik. Here also actually the blouse piece is given like this. Blouse piece is given, but if you want to wear a very, you know, broad kind of a nice pleats and this, so then I think I recommend you not to cut the blouse piece. You can wear any color blouse with this, it will go very well. So that's the palla, that is the palla, lovely one. Lovely, lovely one. Very, very uniquely done. Very uniquely done. So that's the total. And see this kind of buds. These are flower buds. These are flower buds. So the whole sari has this effect. Uh, so that's the pleats, and such soft cotton that I can drape it quickly. So that's the pleats. That's the pleats. That's the sari. Okay. 2450 2450 including shipping. This another black and white combination, very pretty. Here the palla is like this, beautiful palla, very, very nice abstract kind of a palla. The whole the body of the sari has a one big motive like this, one big motive like this. There is this crack border, and there is another motive here, and this motive will cover your pleats. This big motive will cover your pleats like this. This big motive will cover your pleats like this. Okay, so like this. And this is the blouse part, but I recommend you not to cut because it is 6.25 meters. 6.25 meters. We generally go for 6.5 meters, so don't cut it, or maybe half meter you can cut it, and rest you can add a fabric and make the blouse. 2450 is the price. Of the sari is 42 inches. 42 inches. So tall people have to add border. I mean those what do you call it? Fall, extra fall for the pleats to make it 45. So another very, very interesting and a conceptual sari. So this floral vines run from the middle of the sari. This comes in the palla also like this, middle of the sari like this, and till half of the sari this is there, and the next half is all crack. Next half is, that's the pleats, that's the palla and the front part of the sari, that's the pleats. See the pleats, lovely, no? Lovely. 2450 including shipping. The final one in the batik series is a moss green kind of a color combination. So this beautiful semicircular pattern will come here on your front. This is the palla. Lovely floral get-up of the palla. So this actually you can move it a little up like this. The whole of your front is covered like this, and then the lower part has this kind of a floral get-up, and pleats will come from these batik standing lines. So there are three-part design in this. See, so the pleats will have this. The pleats will be from this standing line. So that's the palla, and that's the front part, and the pleats from this. Isn't it very beautiful? And your blouse is from this, but since it's 6.25 meters, so don't cut the blouse, or half a meter you can cut it, and you can add a fabric, make a sleeveless blouse. That much fabric you can always cut it from this. So the front is this part is the pleats, basically. This part is the pleats. Again, the rest of the sari has this it is actually rich mehendi color, yellowish mehendi shade which comes. Very nice color, very, very nice color, lovely color. 2450 including shipping. So today I end this video with all these creations and all these majestic ones, perfect for cottons for summers. So anybody interested, please let me know. Thank you.